Why over 50s can always be broke. Have you ever looked at your bank account on a Tuesday afternoon and wondered where all the money went? You worked hard all month, you put in the overtime, but somehow, by the time the bills are paid, there is nothing left for you. Sighs. Now, imagine being over 50 and still feeling that exact same knot in your stomach. It is a terrifying thought, but for millions of people, it is a daily reality. The truth is, most people aren't broke because they don't earn enough money. They are broke because they spend it on the wrong stuff. Thoughtful. I realized this a few years ago, and when we shifted my focus from buying things that lose value to buying things that grow, my entire life changed. We actually became happier while spending less, and we reached a level of financial freedom we never thought possible in just 5 years. Today, we want to talk about why over 50s can find themselves trapped in a cycle of being broke and the specific purchases that are keeping you stuck in that rat race. Plus, we want to help you grow your finances without having to invest hundreds of thousands of dollars you do not have in property and other huge investment ideas. Fresh off a 30-year career, 74% of Americans over 50 have less than $25,000 saved, not because they were lazy. So, why do you think that 74% of Americans over 50 have less than $25,000 saved? Well, one of the reasons is that few financial advisors want you to not need them, and because nobody warned them which purchases were quietly draining their future dry. Hi there, my name is Bob, and our channel HeyGen Money Game AI exists to help YouTube entrepreneurs 50 plus to learn how to master AI automation using proven strategies to build your channel and make real money. We help to make it easy for 50-plussers to implement. Our main market is the United States, but we need to help protect the incomes of people from all Western countries and others where your livelihood and retirement is at stake. Our videos reveal proven strategies to build your channel and make real money, not just from YouTube ads, but through affiliate programs, AI-driven tools, and automation systems. These can cut the hours you use in your video creation time by a factor of 5 and turn simple content into consistent income. See links near the top of our video. Comments below to learn how. The financial advice industry has made billions telling over 50s to cut out their morning coffee, while completely ignoring the 5-figure decisions that are actually keeping them broke until they die. Stay with us while we elaborate upon this topic. Later on, we will provide the economical solution which could save you from a lifetime of desperation or mediocrity. The first major mistake, and one that hits people of all ages but can be devastating later in life, is putting money into things you simply do not understand. We have all been there. A friend tells you about a sure thing, or a relative mentions a hot tip, and suddenly you're handing over your hard-earned cash for something you couldn't explain to a 5-year-old. I'll give you a real-life example of my own stupidity. Years ago, we spent about $1,000 on Iraqi dinar. Why? Because someone told me it was going to skyrocket in value. Fast forward 12 years, and that money has actually gone down in value, and we don't even know how we would sell it if we wanted to. Around that same time, we put $800 into a boring index fund. That money is doubled. The lesson here is that trying to get rich quick or beat the system almost always leads to losing. Statistics reveal that 90% of active traders, the people who spend all day trying to pick the perfect stocks and shares, actually underperform the simple market average. This is a common trap. People invest in complex schemes or multi-level marketing businesses because they trust the person selling the idea, but they don't understand the mechanics. When you don't understand where your money is going, you've basically already lost it. Wealthy people spend their money on assets they understand, things that have a clear plan to put money back in their pockets. If you can't explain why an investment works, you shouldn't be in it. The second reason people over 50 stay broke is a psychological trap we call buying what you can afford. This sounds counterintuitive, right? Shouldn't you buy what you can afford? But here's the trick. Just because you can make the monthly payment doesn't mean you can actually afford it. This is the biggest trap in our modern economy. You go to buy a house, and the mortgage lender tells you that you are approved for $400,000. Or you go to a car dealership, and the salesperson tells you that $500 a month is perfectly within your budget. They do the math for you and show you that it's only a certain percentage of your income. The bank and the dealership do not care about your freedom. They don't care if you're able to retire early or travel the world. Their only goal is to extract as much money from you as possible for as long as possible. When you buy right up to the limit of what you can afford monthly, you are locking yourself into the rat race indefinitely. You are essentially working for the bank. We have a rule that we try to stick to. If we can't pay for it in cash, we don't buy it. When we didn't have much money, we drove a $3,000 car that we bought with cash. Now that we have more, we can buy a nicer car, but the principle remains the same. We refuse to buy something just because a bank says my paycheck can cover the interest. If you want to be free, you should be aiming for a high savings rate, ideally 50%. But you can never reach that if you are constantly maximizing your monthly payments for things that are losing value. The third issue is the pursuit of happiness through consumption. We are bombarded with about 10,000 advertisements every single day, all telling us the same lie. If you buy this thing, you will finally be happy. We used to be really bad at this. We thought that once we got a certain car or a certain watch, we would feel successful and fulfilled. We remember when we finally got a Tesla. We had wanted it for years. We thought it was the coolest thing in the world. And it is a nice car, don't get me wrong, but about a month after we got it, the excitement faded. It became just a car. It gets me from point A to point B. It doesn't actually change the quality of my soul or my daily happiness. The problem is that consumption offers a dopamine hit that lasts for maybe 10 minutes, but the debt or the lost opportunity cost lasts for years. If you are always chasing that next new thing on Amazon because you want to feel better in the moment, you are practicing the opposite of delayed gratification. It's like a diet. If you only eat what tastes good in the moment, you're going to end up unhealthy. If you only spend on what makes you feel good in the moment, you're going to end up broke. I'm not saying you should never buy things that make you happy. I love a good cup of coffee, but recognize that the high of a big purchase is temporary. If you want to spend money on something that actually provides lasting value, look toward experiences rather than objects. We have never regretted money spent on traveling with friends or taking my family somewhere new. We can't remember what we got for Christmas 5 years ago, but we remember every detail of a great trip. Experiences become part of who you are. Stuff just takes up space in your garage. Next, we have to talk about the convenience tax. This is perhaps the easiest way to bleed money without even noticing it. People who are struggling financially are often the ones paying the most for convenience. Think about a convenience store. Everything in there is marked up 20, 50, maybe 100% compared to a grocery store. You think about food delivery apps. By the time you add in the service fees, the delivery fee, and the tip, you are often paying double what the food actually costs. If you are at a point in your life where you feel broke, this is the first thing you should cut. Saving $25 or $30 a day by skipping the delivery apps and prepping your own meals might not seem like a lot in the short term, but $30 a day adds up to over $10,000 a year. That is a massive amount of money that could be working for you instead of paying for a delivery driver's gas. These small leaks are what sink the ship. Buying drinks when you're out, grabbing a snack at the gas station, not packing a lunch for work. It all feels insignificant in the moment, but it's destroying your long-term wealth. The more work you are willing to put in yourself, the more money you keep. It's a simple trade-off, but most people choose the easy path and wonder why they never have any savings. So, if those are the things keeping you broke, what should you actually be spending your money on? If you want to change your financial situation, especially when you're older, you have to bridge the knowledge gap. The best investment you can ever make is in your own brain. We have read books that cost $20, but have literally made me hundreds of thousands of dollars because they gave me a single idea about real estate or business management that we didn't have before. Most people stop learning once they leave school, but the world keeps changing. If you don't understand how to manage your finances, how to invest in assets, or how to start a side business, you are at a massive disadvantage. All the information you need is out there, often for free or very cheap in books and videos. You have to take the time to actually open the account, study the options, and make a plan. The difference between the rich and the poor is often just a difference in what they choose to buy. The poor buy liabilities, things that take money out of their pockets every month. The rich buy assets, things that put money into their pockets. Instead of buying a new shirt you don't need, buy $20 worth of a stock. Instead of going out to a fancy dinner, save that money until you have enough for a down payment on a rental property. It sounds slow, and it is, but it is the only guaranteed way to reach freedom. Once you have enough assets to cover the cost of your life, you are free. You no longer have to work because you're broke. You work because you want to. For those over 50, this becomes even more critical because the window of time to let compound interest work, its magic is smaller, but it is never too late to start. The primary reason people stay trapped is that they are producers of nothing and consumers of everything. When we switch my mindset from being a consumer to being a creator, someone who provides value to the world rather than just taking from it, my income skyrocketed. Whether it's starting a YouTube channel, a small consulting business, or just getting better at your current craft, focus on what you can create. To wrap this up, being broke at 50 isn't usually a result of not working hard enough. Usually, it's the result of falling for the traps of the consumer world. You buy what the bank says you can afford, you pay for convenience because you're tired, and you chase the temporary high of new stuff. If you can break that cycle, start investing in your knowledge, and focus on acquiring assets over liabilities, you will see your bank account and your stress levels transform. It's all about the gap between what you know and what you do. Close that gap, and you'll stop being broke for good. If you want to build your channel and make real money, not just from YouTube ads, but through affiliate programs, AI-driven tools, and automation systems, you have happened to the right place. These programs, to which we refer at the top of the comments below this video, can cut the hours you use in your video creation time by a factor of 5 and turn simple content into consistent income with an avatar of you. That means that you do not need to spend many hours writing scripts and sitting in front of a camera trying to read your 20-minute script. Check out which programs below. At the end of this video, we provide an end screen link to our next video. If you found this helpful, it would mean a lot if you could hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into how to manage your money and build the life you actually want to live. There is a lot of noise out there, but financial freedom is actually quite simple if you can master your own habits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe and the notification bell.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.